Hello, hi, and welcome to today's video in which I will quickly show you a very good resource for everything that goes into TIA programming, everything that goes to Siemens PLCs and automation, because my channel is huge. Like I've got more than 100 videos on TIA portal alone, so there's a lot of things to learn, but of course I can't touch everything. I try, but I can't. That's why I want to show you a very good resource, a Siemens official resource that is unfortunately rarely used. As far as I know, the people I've come in contact with, they didn't even know that this resource exists. They know somehow you Google stuff, you find some material, but there's really free online courses, materials available. And I want to show you, and I'll put a link in the description below. That's why this video is hopefully rather quick, because I just want to show you what Siemens has done there and how to use it. Therefore, first link in the description below. The thing I'm talking about is the so-called, what is my search history here? Is the so-called SCE Siemens. SCE stands for Siemens Cooperates with Education, or differently said, Siemens Automation Cooperates with Education. SCE Siemens. And there you will only find German things. That's also one thing why almost no one knows about it. You will find this in German. The second one is English and so on, but mostly you find the German one. So if you hit it, the Siemens SCE, Aus- und Weiterbildung, whatever that means, should be, well, you just hit the link in the description below. Leads you to a website. I will definitely change it to English. And this website is completely free. And you see, this is Siemens. This is Siemens. It says Ingenuity for Life, top and perfect. And there you see a lot of, what are those tabs? A lot of things you can click on. They definitely have a name. And there's a lot to see here. And this is official cooperation with education. So it's more for teachers. There's special things for teachers here. For schools, if you can get a cooperation with Siemens, you can get the hardware for cheaper prices. So the trainer packages and products. If I go in here and click on there, bloop, bloop, I can get a list, trainer package list. So if you are officially a training institution, you might get a contract with Siemens and you can get a lot of components for way cheaper than you get them officially from Siemens for the industry. Like I'm talking about huge discounts. Depends on your country, depends on region, depends if you can get a contract with Siemens, but still huge discounts. Right? But this is basically the basic hardware that you can get. So that's for trainers only. That's for schools that have a cooperation with Siemens. Then a lot of people leave comments, hey, do you actually, like, I read your comments, I try to answer them, but there's quite many. Some say, hey, do you have any textbook recommendations? Because I don't read a lot of textbooks. I try to gather everything from the internet. But here, Siemens has got this textbook reference list. So let's see, textbooks, downloads. And there, let's take Chinese. I can't speak Chinese. And there is also huge lists of recommended textbooks and a quick summary to some of them. Let's see, which one do I actually have? Oh, no. I don't have any of these, as it seems. Let's see. MATLAB. Might be interesting. MATLAB, more PLC's basics. No. I had this. A great logo. Yes, perfect. Automating. I have this. That's pretty nice book. Automating with S7 300, 400, 1200, 1500. Those are actually pretty nice. The Siemens ones directly. And you will always find a direct link to, I don't know what it is, Amazon, to just buy them. I have this, I have this, I have these. Oh, here we have the books that I have. Good, great. So there's a huge list of recommended textbooks, not just on TIA portal, but also on other topics like CAD modeling and so on, that Siemens officially recommends. Next thing, if I go back to SCE, Siemens Cooperates with Education, most important thing for me, and that's also why I make this video here, is the learning and training documents. If we go to learning and training documents, just the last one for schools, for trainers, if you go to learning systems here, didactic OEMs, you will find a huge list with hardware, like with training systems and manufacturers that are recommended by Siemens. You see there's quite many. I personally have used Festo, I have used Adiro, I have used Christiani, I have used Encont Köster. Back then they were called Encont, but okay. Lukas Müller I have used. So there's quite many that I have used, and I think all of them I could recommend. Because Siemens, I trust the SCE. They know what they're doing. LabVault, I have used those, but they were bought by someone else. So, next thing that I want to show or the most important one is this one here. Learning and training documents. I hit on this, and there we could get courses if you want, but we go to downloads. Right, downloads? And there we have, if we scroll down a little bit, like you can read a little bit of what is this all about. But here you have the most important things kind of hidden here a little bit, I think, but there they are. TIA Portal modules, PCS7, Logo, and Classic. That's Semantic Manager. Semantic Manager is the Classic. So TIA Portal, if you want to learn something about TIA Portal, just hit TIA Portal. And there you go. You have a whole curriculum, right? Starting from the concept and what are those courses, how is this organized, going to hardware configuration, some examples, basics of PLCs, visualization, and so on. You see there's many topics that are officially touched here by Siemens with Siemens trainers, and it's all free. That is awesome. It's all free. There's probably more here. They're also updating it. The last update was this month. So they are definitely updating it a lot. Let's see. I want to learn something. I've learned a lot from here. I want to learn a lot, something about, let's see, basics of PLC programming. Click on it, basics of PLC programming. And if I scroll down now, you will find, first of all, you could now go to the Semantic S7. If I click on here, and there is TIA Portal videos that I like. Like if I hit on the videos, you will be guided to the official side of automation, of Siemens Automation, where you can actually have videos talking about a lot of things. Of course, I recommend my videos on my channel, but those are official Siemens ones. They are also pretty nice. That's on videos, but if I go back to the website here, then you will find S7 1500, S7 1200, whichever you want to learn about. They're quite similar, but not exactly the same. I go to 1500, and there I have it. For example, let's say I want to learn something about FB programming, whatever that is. Of course, I made a video about it, but still, whatever that is. And there you will find, hey, I could download it. If you're a trainer, if you're a teacher, you can download the document and alter it a little bit, put tasks in there whatsoever. If you just want to learn, download the PDF, right? And you see it's German, English, Spanish, French, Italian, Korean, I assume? Portuguese? No idea at all. No idea. But different languages you see, and you also have the sample project. Those documents here, those courses, they are usually designed in such a way that there is a project attached to it. So I will now download this document here in English. Or open it. I could also download it, of course, here, and now I can hit download, but now I've got open it in my browser, doesn't matter. And you see on the right side here, I have just for function block programming, 53 pages, right? 53 pages. And you see, it just explains step by step what is going on, right? It explains, hey, you need this, you need TIA Portal for this. Hey, this is how the blocks are being called. Hey, let's see if we have a program example somewhere. Yeah. You have a library with those blocks in the sample project, right? In the sample project, those are given, and so on. It goes on and on, details on this topic, right? And always, and here's the thing, you can also download the project. I download now in English. It is a zip file. I open my folder here. I open the zip file, and you see, I need to, yeah, I know. I can now take this file. You see, it's a ZEP14, which is an archive file of TIA version 14. I'll just put that on my desktop. Now it's on here in my desktop, and I just go to my TIA Portal, project view, project, retrieve, right? Retrieve, and there it is. That's the file. I'll just take it. I'll just put it anywhere. I think I can't, yeah, because I already unpacked it. You see, I'm using version 15, so I need to upgrade all of this. So the whole project is now being upgraded in the background, and then it's opened, right? the whole project. And this document, it teaches you everything that's in this project. And you see just function blocks. It's 53 pages just on this topic. Hey, I know how this works. Hey, that's function blocks. That's creating a new one. Hey, that's your interface. You know, this is for you, that you can go through some of these documents if you have topics that you want to learn more about, because those are quite detailed and step by step. And you can go there and learn them on your own. That is awesome. And if you're a teacher, if you're a trainer, you can take those and give them to your students. Especially important right now, because there is, well, almost no, like there's a lot of countries there's no school. Students have to work from home. So that's the perfect thing to give them at home. So let's see, TIA portal, my project opened. I can see, yeah, there's things in here. I don't know how the project works, but I now can actually work with this and together with the document I downloaded or still have open in my browser. Yeah, so that's just the recommendation I'm giving to you, right? SCE Siemens, try to, like, I'm going to give you this link here that you see for this website, and the rest I have described. Try clicking around here a little bit, because I use this website a lot in the past. It always changes, like the layout and stuff, but the contents have always been great. If you still need to know anything about the 300s or so, click here on downloads, and there you have, as I said, the classic modules, and those are for 300s, for Semantic Manager, hey, PCS7 logo. So pretty awesome stuff. And that's all I wanted to show to you. And yeah, hey, this counts as TIA Tuesday, right? This totally counts as TIA Tuesday. If you want to show some support to me, not to Siemens directly, if you can use the material, that's how you show support to Siemens directly. If you want to show support to me, check out the link in the description, which is my GoFundMe, where you could toss some coin in my direction. Would be awesome. If you don't want to do that, there's still a forum, also link in the description below. Try to discuss there. It's growing and growing. And there's also this like button, I think somewhere here. I don't know where it is. Somewhere just below the video, the like button and the subscribe button. Don't forget to press those, and I'll see you the next time around. If you still have any questions on this, comments below, right? But it's a pretty awesome thing. Have a nice day, stay safe and healthy, and bye-bye.